Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the video, or should I say channel. Upload schedule's been whack, guys, but the reason for that is me and my friends got into some devious acts, and I ended up getting grounded. Couldn't ride, couldn't film, whatever. But we're back. I'm finally ungrounded. We got the mini bike, we got the mud flats. No one else is here. We got it all to ourselves. You guys seem to like the mini bike mudding video a couple days ago, or weeks ago, I should say. Pretty good. So I want to do that again. So guys, now that I'm ungrounded, we should have the videos coming back out normally. Hopefully, I can get my upload schedule on track. Because I hate not being able to upload for you guys. You know, I came out here and told myself I wasn't gonna get my clothes dirty. But I can already feel water in the back of my hoodie. Alright, let's go hit some jumps. So it has been raining like 4 days in a row, extremely heavy downpour. See if you want to do some donuts. Safe to say, I think it's a little bit muddy, guys. So I don't know about you guys, but school starts pretty soon here. Second year of high school for me. And I'm not excited. I don't know how much better my upload schedule will get with school being here. But definitely gonna try and upload. I got hung up again. Oh, we're framed out again. But I remember last time we were out here, pick the front end up and just throw it forward. That seems to work pretty well. don't like this game. There we go. I was not dealing with that the whole way. So also, in terms of the content for this winter, I'm not going to be doing just snow machining videos. I have a lot of other ideas, like studded tires, thin ice, like the Seaboys do, and, you know, maybe something like a pit bike, but a snow machine, like a hit snow machine, pit snow pitter, I guess you could say. I don't know, I've got some good ideas for this winter, so it's not all snow machining, because honestly, I'll admit it, I'm not a good snow machiner. I just don't have a lot of confidence, you know. I grew up never doing like hard snow machining, really only trail riding, so I don't have a lot of confidence when it comes to mountain snow machining like what me, Bryce, and Cole do now. But to make this winter more entertaining for you guys, we are doing some other videos with four-wheelers, dirt bikes. I also have a new machine that I've been working on for a long time, just have not been able to get it running. I ended up ordering a whole new wiring harness, and it actually gets here pretty soon. Not only that, if you guys remember the three-wheeler, my 83 Suzuki 125 three-wheeler, how I was swapping the motor, that's almost done. We just need a new carburetor. I don't know if it needs a new carburetor because the current one is broken, because I already have an aftermarket one on it, or if I need a certain carburetor. So I got to post about it in a couple groups to see what I need to get. But yeah, this winter, guys, it's going to be a ton of fun. I know I say this so much, but I really hope we will be getting the upload schedule back on track. Just soaked my jeans. Alright, so also, before we end the video, I do want to do a top speed run on this thing. I believe it's around 30. This thing is completely stock. Only thing it has is an aftermarket headlight and a governor bypass. So, we're going to go ahead, get going. 30 miles an hour. But with that out of the way, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share this video with all your friends. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the second channel and follow me on Instagram. Both links are in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. God bless.